my hamster sneezing. I'm gonna try and catch it on camera. Sneeze. Did you hear it? He sneezed. Maybe he'll do it again. Where are you going? Sneeze. I don't know. He was sneezing. That was really cute. Oh. It's 1 in the morning. And my hamster was sneezing, and now he isn't sneezing. Where are you going? I don't know what's wrong with him, but he was sneezing. Yeah. I was trying to get away. Sneeze. Oh, did you hear it? Sneeze. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get off here so I can get some sleep. Good night to my sneezing hamster. Say good night, Munster. He's shy. Oh, bye.